Rtd Maj Mugisha Muntu okusherera akaruru omu bicweka byatesera izooba yatandikira mu district ya Soroti. Ogu yagamba n'abahagizi be Altabal Town Council abayo bayetombwitiro kubura oburinganiza omu bitongore bya government bari kugira ngo n'obwo abaana babo bashomire bitu bari kutunga mirimo.
I can give you an example. We have one boy here called Bonnie, and I have a girl who is called Acheko. They have a degree. They got their degrees. The one got in Uganda University. But when they went for interview in Kampala, there were only 50 posts. But the students who were there were more than 600 students. So I think what is spoiling is the tribalism.
Politics through the job that you hold, not using your position irregularly or in a corrupt way. We must stamp out that, because if we don't, this country cannot progress. Even when it progresses, it will be only for a few. That is the nature of those kinds of countries which allow corruption. And those of you who are educated, you just go Google countries which have developed in that manner. You find that yes, it is growing, it has roads, it has got electricity, it has water, it has skyscrapers, but you'll find that the wealth is concentrated in the hands of about 10-20%.
Kwiyarwa mu district ya Soroti, General Mugisha Muntu yaza mu district ya Serere, kandi yayakirwa muri Serere Town Council aho yayakirwa abakazi b'ekibina cya ente bebembirwe ari salaso.
Tight nice sabake na ngali tunga uriana ake pat adope parani dumunoni subiti bale kido jele baka ibe ikona ilo ikunyi
nabwanyuma yiguro office y'ekibina kandi habashabo kumuhoba hagizi
ekizibu ekiriho abasinga obungi abali mu bukulembezi bali nga abantu asigorwa lero nayagala okungula enkya tekisoboka kubanga Katonda yatonda eggwanga mu ngeri ey'enjawulo eggwanga ligaga kugamba abo ababeera mu politics bwe babeera abagumiikiriza esente bazikola naye bazikola mu makubo amatuufu.
Hariho bamwe ababiri bari abakozi ba government abatakatungaga akasiimo kaabo kandi bagambira General Mugisha Muntu ngo bakoze buri kimwe kikwetengesa bitu na sente zabo tubakazitungaga.
Out of a line, arrest, put in prison. Once you arrest 1, 2, 3, the fourth one, the fifth will fear and things will start moving straight.
Nabwanyuma Mugisha Muntu yaza Papai Town Council kandi emyeta bine business bamugambira ko emishororo engine.
You extend power, you work on water projects, the people are lifted in agriculture, in small scale industries, in service industries. The people grow, the country grows. That's how countries develop, ladies and gentlemen.
Ogu yahamiza abantu batesongwe eshonga zabo naza kuzikoraho ekikuru bamwesije.
Kwegamba bomala okutunda ebirime byabwe nga ne bakola ki ne basasula ate nga esente nga ziri wansi kubanga omulimi tasobola okukola sente ng'ali ku sente za sacco za commercial rate naye bwe kubanga kuliko development bank ey'obulimi nga ne bafuna amagoba ga pasenti nga 12 omwaka awo akola amagoba.
Nyenchakare General Mugisha Muntu naija kusherera akaruru mu district ya Serere hamwe na Angola. Ndi Anita Tukunda.